Hello guys, I'm the Techno Kid this side. Today in this video, I will be going to show you how to make an easy clicker game on Scratch. So guys, please watch till the end of this video to make a very easy clicker game on Scratch. So let's get started. You just have to open a new Scratch project. I have opened here. You can add a sprite like I have add this basketball here. You can choose a backdrop and easy one. And now coming to the coding, we only have one sprite in this one, so not it is not that much of a coding, only this much. So we drag a forever loop from the events when flag is clicked. From motion go to random position. From looks change color effect by 25. And from here, from the control, wait 1 second and we can edit it to 1.2 seconds. 1.2. Wow. Now we'll test it. Yeah, it's moving just like it was doing in my previous one. Now this coding when the sprite is clicked. Wait. Yeah, now it's fine. When this sprite is clicked, we wanted to start sound basketball one or pop. Start sound pop, not basketball bounce. We can even record a sound on Scratch. And then go to random position and change color effect by 25. And now we are just left with only one thing which is adding the score. Now for the score, we have done it endless times. Just have to add a new variable, make a variable named score, then here score, then here score, then here change score by 1. Now you can see it's exactly the same as that one. You can see guys, we made a very easy clicker game on Scratch just by the end of 3 minutes, or you can say 4 minutes. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you all like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, and never forget to press on the bell icon or else you will miss out on an update and miss out on some cool stuff. Bye.